Hey, how's it going, guys? In this Python tutorial, I'll show you how to remove duplicate items in a list while maintaining the orders. Alright, so you have a list. Inside this list, I have a list of letters from A to E. And some of the letters are duplicates, such as letter B and letter D. In general, if I want to return just the unique list, I can use the set function and reprint this statement. And it's going to return the unique list from my list object. And notice that here, my elements order is not going to be the same as the original order. If I run the statement again, the order is going to keep changing. And to maintain the list, here what we can do is we can use the dictionary function. From the dictionary function or the dictionary library, there's a function called from_keys. And if we pass the list object to the from_keys function, it's going to use each element as its key. And because in a dictionary, you cannot have duplicate keys. Here, the keys is going to be the unique keys that I want to translate into a list. So that means we can wrap the statement of the output with the list function. And that will send the unique list while maintaining the sequence order. Alright, so this is going to be everything I'm going to cover in this video, and hopefully you guys found this video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.